In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can black out text and images in PDF in Adobe Acrobat. So first, go to Edit here on top, and in Edit, we're going to choose Redact a PDF. We have several options here. I will go through all of them, but first, let's start with Redact text and images. So you can drag over a word you want to have redacted. As you can see, if you hover over it, then it will be blacked out. You can double-click a word to select it and have it redacted. You can drag over and select an image you want to have blacked out, just like that. Now keep in mind that the items you have selected to be redacted won't be permanently removed until you save your file. You can go to the part you selected and then right-click it and choose delete, or just select it and press delete on your keyboard to remove it. That's also an option, so it won't be permanent until you save. Let's also remove this entire sentence here. The other option we have is redact pages. So as you can see, my second page is visible now. If I choose redact pages, it lets me choose an entire page or multiple pages to be redacted. I'm going to say I want my page 2 to be redacted. And then when I now hover on top of it, you can see that it will be blacked out. You can also see this red marker on top of it to notify you that it has been selected to be redacted. You can also use the Find Text and Redact option. I get an error message because not everything in my file can be searched by Adobe. And when you do that, you get this option to search in this document or in all the PDF documents. You can search a single word or phrase, multiple words, and even patterns like a QR code. And then you can give in the name you want Acrobat to search for you, and it will search all those words and then redact them for you. And then we have the set properties. In set properties, you can give in the properties of your redaction. For example, it is by default black, but you can also change the color if you want to. You can use an overlay text to be used with your blackout, and then give in the text or code you want to use. And you can also specify the outline color, the fill color, and the opacity of the outline color. So that's the appearance of what you have redacted or chosen to be redacted. And you have general here where you can give in the author and the subject. And then the last option is sanitize document, which removes all hidden data and metadata from your document. You can do that also if you want to, which you can also do that when saving. And then so nothing is permanently removed until you save. So when you want to save, you have everything selected you want to have redacted, you can then click apply. You will get a notification here, which will tell you will be permanently removed, blah, blah. And you can here select to sanitize and remove hidden information if you want to. If you then click continue, you can choose where you want to save it. And as you can see, the file name has a _redacted at the end. So that's something that Acrobat does for you. So you will always sort of save a copy. This is my original file, and this will be my copy file, which will be redacted. If you then click save, as you can see now, this is my redacted file, and everything I chose to be blacked out has been blacked out. So that's how you can black out, redact PDFs in Adobe Acrobat. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.